Before I start this video, I would just like to say, please wash your hands before and after you eat, before and after you cook, before you do anything, and after you do anything. Easy. Or use hand sanitizer. Hello and welcome to the Quarantine Cooking Show.
It's me,
Sofia, featuring my sister who's currently washing the dishes. Anyway, so today we will be making Sinigang, which is a Filipino dish using my mom's recipe or my grandmother's recipe. I don't know whose recipe it is. Okay. So you will be needing a kilo of pork leg, a tomato, an onion, water, and a pressure cooker. I've already cut the pork leg in cubes, which should look like this. Wait, like this? Yeah. Yeehaw. I don't like handling meat, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Once you've cut all your meat, you put it in the pressure cooker. You just heat it all in. What Mom told me to do is flatten all the meat in so that you know how much water to put in. But basically you put 4 cups of water, which should be about above the meat. So I have 2 cups here. Cool. So once you've dealt with all the meat business, you now have to cut your vegetables. So I've gone ahead and washed this, my tomato, and now we have to cut it into quarters. That's a half, like maths. And you turn them down and you cut them in half again. And now you have 4 quarters of a tomato and you put it in the pressure cooker. Easy peasy. Okay, the tomato. Mom told me to cut the onion in half first and then peel it. So we're gonna do that. Oh, wait. The fumes. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. I am just doing what I gotta do. And then you put it in the pressure cooker. Now, before you turn the pressure cooker on, you have to put 1 tablespoon of salt. That's a lot of salt, but that's the recipe. So 1 tablespoon, and down we go. And
I see the type of person you are.
You should be good. So make sure that your pressure cooker is sealed. You put it on manual cook and you set the timer to 28 minutes. Yeah. Okay, so while that's going on, grab 1 bunch of bok choy and you cut the edges, like these edges. So they should all be separated like this. I don't really know what to do. Like, I grabbed all the other ingredients. Fish sauce, yeah, and the bok choy. And you'll also need this tamarind soup base by Knorr. Yeet. This is like the important ingredient in making sinigang. Usually back home in the Philippines, we wouldn't use a pressure cooker, but you know, we gotta be more efficient, so we're using this. So how is everybody doing? How is quarantine? Quarantine for me has been really antisocial, but that's okay. Painted a bit, and I recorded a couple of songs. Not really for Spotify, but yeah. So I will get back to you all when the pressure cooker goes off, and yeah. Now we have to release the pressure. Okay, and then we put the tamarind soup base in, probably just half. Okay, and then put 1 tablespoon of fish sauce in, and then you put all the bok choy in to the pressure cooker. Then you mix it. Now you just wait until the bok choy is cooked. I'm gonna taste it to see if the soup is good. So if it's super sour, you have to put more water in. Let's try again. It should be fine. Okay, cool. This is the final product. It's pretty cool. Yeet. Yeah, let me know if you want more quarantine cooking videos, but I know they could be more instructional in a sense that I should film what I'm doing here. So yeah, but here's your Sinigang. Hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like. I'm really bored and I want to earn that YouTube money. I'm kidding, my videos aren't even monetized yet. Ciao.